Here we have a 3D rendering for a GM power seat foot cover. These help to prevent the vehicle's carpet from getting caught in the track. The units are printed in a durable, chemical-resistant CPE plastic. This piece slides between the track foot and the lower track section. These are generally printed in black, but I can print them in a lighter color so you could paint to match your interior. These are a very close match in style and shape to the original 50-plus-year-old pieces. They are also curved to further aid in the functionality. Visit our website, linked in the description, for pricing and availability. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!